When you think LED, you're going to think Neutex. When you think Neutex, you're going to know Houston. My name's John C. Higgins. I'm President and CEO of Neutex Advanced Energy Group. We started 25 years ago as a construction company. We developed, as we went along and got more and more into construction, we realized that lighting was one of our biggest issues. With energy rising the way that it was and electricity prices rising the way that they were, we saw an opportunity to get into the lighting business. We heard about this thing called LED. We started to get involved in the LED business. It wasn't ready for the market yet. About 18 months ago was the breaking point of when it really became marketable. It became something that could be used as an answer to the energy problems that we were having out there. We went ahead and started manufacturing some of the technology that we had. We had such quality problems and other issues manufacturing outside of ourselves that we figured it was time that we moved our manufacturing to the United States. Our American pride kicked in. We wanted to pull our own products. We wanted to go ahead and develop and manufacture here, make the jobs here, bring the technology back here and improve it here, and help create the better environment that we need here. As a board, we sat down together and we started to discuss the things that we wanted and the things that we needed and the things that made sense to us, and just taking them one by one and making a list. We started looking at the infrastructure, we started looking at the taxes, the port that we have, the roads, the highways, the technology that's already here. It's the energy capital of the world. We started finding that the universities, they would back you up. We have access to their technology. We have access to their labs. By teaming up with them, this made it an absolute answer that the longer the list got, the more it was, had to stay home, Houston. This facility we already have in the works for a 30,000 square foot expansion for 2012, another 10,000 square foot for 2013. That's why this property really worked out well for us, because we have enough that we can make our full campus right here in the expansions. 5 years, we expect this to be a 120,000 square foot facility with another 40,000 square foot right beside us that will be nothing more than warehousing. So we're very excited the way we're going. The employee base will be huge. We see this technology because it is taking over, and because it's taking over and everybody is seeing what it really does for them, we will be the name in LED. My perception of the Houston business climate is one of a friendly, honest, integrity-filled business environment. There aren't a lot of those out there anymore, and to do business in Houston, you can still do business in Houston with a handshake. You can't do business like that anywhere else in the world. When we go to other places and we travel to other countries in Europe and Asia, and we tell people we're from Houston, automatically they take us seriously because Houston has the reputation. And with that reputation, I guess we kind of rode on its back a little bit in these other countries, because the warm welcome and the integrity that comes with, I do business in Houston, is something that every businessman should be able to say.